Can you hear the bone-crushing sound of wolves closing in on their prey? The metallic taste of fear fills the air as a fox trembles in the snow. Suddenly, a Kangal dog bursts into the scene, its fur a blur as it chases the wolves away. The fox's heartbeat slows as it watches its savior stand guard, its wild eyes piercing through the cold, and as the dog's chest heaves with exhaustion, the fox's gaze meets its, a spark of gratitude igniting in the frozen landscape. Can you hear the silence that follows? The stillness of a life saved, and the question that echoes through it all. Can you hear the bone-crushing sound of wolves closing in on their prey?